Hello everyone. In the simulation, let us see what a wave is. As we know, wave is a disturbance which moves through the medium. Let us understand this concept through a visualization. I have a small waves package here. Let's take the waves, initialize the system. And here we'll be considering a virtual rope, which is sitting horizontally as a black line. And let us initiate a wave with some properties. 2 per second is the angular frequency and speed is 5 meter per second. So let us see how the wave propagates. So we can assume that this is our hand moving up and down. As the hand moves up and down, the rope takes the shape of the motion. And right over the top here, 8, 9, this is the running time. That is t in cos omega t. So we can see as our hand is moving with a sine graph, the rope also takes the form of a sine wave. So let us see it will run up to 30 seconds, I think. Another thing about the wave is if it's a particle, if this is a rope, the rope does not move. Actually, the point on the rope moves up and down. Let us see that. Let us select one particle on the wave, which is somewhere here. Let us focus on this point. So we can see the wave is moving ahead, but the point somewhere x equal to 40 is going up and down. But it just experiences up and down motion. Let us see it again. The wave is propagating in the positive x direction and the particle is moving up and down. Another very important property of a wave is that there is a constant phase relationship between any two particles. So now we can see there are two particles, one over here, another here. We can actually select them. Let us select one particle here and another somewhere here. Let us see how they move with respect to each other. So when the first particle is touching, little later, second particle touches. So it is following the particle at 10 is following the particle at 40. So that remains throughout the motion. You can take any two particles and this phase relationship holds good. They're almost in phase, they're traveling together.